Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Today is a thoughtful Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. We're going to focus on lesson 14 today. Welcome to your first grade ELA virtual classroom. We do not have any do nows for today, but we do have some scholar shout outs specifically from Ashford. Unfortunately, I didn't get a lot of scholar participation from ISU yesterday, so majority of our scholar participation will be from Ashford. I'm shouting out scholar number 7 for having the most iReady reading minutes, scholar number 27, scholar number 24, scholar number 14, and scholar number 15. You know who you are. Keep up those iReady reading minutes. Keep them going up. Right now, number 7 is in the lead with over an hour worth of iReady reading minutes. Don't let her beat you. You still have 2 more days, today and tomorrow. Keep up the good work, scholars. I'm very impressed. Objective. Objective. I will read in the storm shelter with purpose and understanding. Digraph. Wait for the snap. If you said S, give yourself a point. If you said give yourself a point. Tricky words. Don't get tricked. Wait for the snap. Good job, scholars. If you said cow, give yourself a third point. Spelling words. Not sure when our next spelling test will be. However, scholars, with our next packet that we're going to receive around spring break, we're going to have some virtual spelling tests, and I will start shouting those scholars out. But just keep notice that we will have a virtual spelling test just for fun. It won't be graded, but it will be for fun, scholars. I'm excited about that. MAPS. That spells maps. MICE. That spells mice. HAMMER. That spells hammer. TRIMMED. That spells trimmed. SKIPPED. That spells skipped. SCRUB. That spells scrub. SPACE. That spells space. COULD. That spells could. Expectations. How many syllables? So we're going to see some images. We're going to see some, and you are going to be the syllable detective. You're going to clap out the syllables. Let Ms. Jackson know how many syllables there are in each word. Get it? Got it? Good. Jumping. Two syllables. Nodded. Two syllables. Thun. Mm, lightning. Two syllables. Trombone. Two syllables. Trumpet. Trumpet. Two syllables. Mister. Mister. Two syllables. Toolbox. Toolbox. Two syllables. Outline. Outline. Two syllables. All right, scholars. I want you to know that today's story continues the Spencer's adventure in the storm shelter. KN makes what sound? Knocked. ER makes what sound? Shelter. Spencer. Thunder. OR makes what sound? Or. Storm. Porch. AR makes what sound? R. Start. Arm. Barn. Two syllable words. Expect. Finish. Picnic. Gusts is a verb. Gust is a verb because it is an action word. It is not something that we can do, but it is definitely something that the air can do. It means blows strongly for a short time. For example, I would say a door blows open each time the wind gusts. Cracks is a verb. Cracks is a verb because it is an action word. It is something that can be done. It means makes a loud, sudden sound. For example, I would say the thunder cracks during the storm. Booms is a verb. Booms is a verb because it is an action word. It makes a deep and loud sound. For example, I would say the jet booms as it takes off for air. Peaks is a verb. Peeks is a verb because it is an action word, scholars. It means looks at something from a hidden place. For example, I would say the kitten peeks out from under the bench. Scholars, we're going to read to find out how the adventure in the storm shelter will end. The title of today's story is In the Storm Shelter. Had we had our readers, we will be turning to page 36. Starting with the title, In the Storm Shelter. Finger underneath the word the. The Spencers are down in their storm shelter. Outside the shelter, the storm has started. The wind gusts, thunder cracks and crashes. Finger underneath the word down. Down in the shelter, the Spencers can't tell how bad the storm is, but the Spencers will be safe down in their storm shelter. Their storm shelter can stand up to strong storms. Finger underneath the word when. When the thunder booms, Jill grabs her mom's arm. I expect it, she says. But still it scares me. Her mom hugs her. Finger underneath the word when. When it sounds like the storm is finished, Mr. Spencer peeks out. Finger underneath the word it's. It's safe, he says. Finger underneath the word the. The Spencers step outside. Mr. Spencer checks the barn. It is fine. Grace and Jill pick up some pots that were knocked off the porch by the wind. Finger underneath the word things. Things look to be in good shape, says Mr. Spencer. Finger underneath the word good. Good, Mom says. Let's sit down and finish our picnic. You know what this means, scholars? This means we have some work to do. If you haven't already, make sure you have your packet open to 14.1 at the top. All right, so Ms. Jackson is expecting you to restate and answer these questions. I will specifically be looking for answer number 3. When you are finished with number 3, please snap a picture and send it to Ms. Jackson. Question number 1 says, why are the Spencers down in the storm shelter? Listening for this. The Spencers are down in the storm shelter because, Number 2. What did Mr. Spencer see when he peeked out from the storm shelter? When Mr. Spencer peeked out from the storm shelter, he saw, That's how you're going to start that answer. And then number 3 is the important one. This is the one that I need a picture of. It says, describe what you do when it storms. You will say, when it storms, I want you to think about 3 different things, 2 to 3 different things that you do when it storms. When you're done with number 3, please snap a picture, text it to Ms. Jackson. Please, and thank you. The lesson is over, scholars. Hope to see you soon. Hope to hear from you soon. I don't have a challenge for today. However, I was supposed to be in pajamas today, but not enough scholars told me what to wear. So here's a hint of what I thought about wearing. So maybe if you guys text me today and say, Ms. Jackson, can you wear pajamas tomorrow? Then I'll be in pajamas tomorrow. Have a good day, scholars. See you later. Talk to you soon. Miss you so much. Bye.